Hey guys, welcome back to the Opulence Cave again. Today we got another wonderful banger unboxing for you guys. Man, it is so good to be back. I'm so excited to drop all these wonderful bangers for you guys. But before we start the unboxing, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing to our channel. If you like fashion, sneakers, lifestyle, make sure you drop that like, make sure you subscribe and comment in the section below. Without further ado guys, let's get straight into the unboxing I've got for you guys today. This is another wonderful unboxing. As you can see right there, it is a Jordan 4 SB box right there. You can see the SB right there on the side. It says Nike SB right there, and you can see the Jordan Fly sign up there. And on this side you got my sizing, which is a size 10 US. And on the other side you see the obviously the Jumpman and stuff right there. So yeah, that's the box right there. It's in a shiny cream box as usual with the Jumpman flight right there. You can see it. Okay, alrighty. So without further ado, let's flip the box. Woo! Yes, so I did get this from eBay right there. You can see the authentication card right there, the back and front right there. So oops, I dropped it. So yeah, that's what that looks like. I'm gonna put that to the side, and the lid right there is a shiny inside as well. There isn't really nothing special in there. You can see there's like some code number right there in the corner. You know, that's not a big deal. And this is what we are here to see. You got the splatter tissue paper that normally comes with Jordan 4s right there. And I'm gonna open that. I see there's another wrapped up paper with one of the sneaker right there. I'm gonna take the paper off. Yeah, hold on a second. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna take it out of there. I'll put the tissue to the side. Okay, nice. Guys, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, bam! You can see it right there. It is the Jordan 4 SB Midnight Navy. That is awesome. I did do the pine greens with a little bit back. You can go check it out, but this is the Midnight Navy. I love anything blue. I'm in love with it. Okay, so let me take the other foot out. Okay, and as you can see, the other foot, it is wrapped as well. I'll take it out there. I'll put the paper, everything back in here. And then the box, you have the sticker, the green sticker in there as well in the box. All right, let me put all the paper wrappings in the box, and then we can talk about the materials and sizing. Okay. All right, so this for me is another banger. I really like this. You see, we can start from the bottom right there. You see the gum sole at the bottom. This particular gum sole is definitely lighter than the pine greens right there, but I'm also, at some point, if you guys want me to do a comparison, just let me know. I'll do that for you guys as well. So this is the you can see the gum outsole over there, and then in the middle you have that red Nike swoosh right there in the middle, and everything is all white. All the pods are surrounding that, all white. And then you have the front toe on the outsole. On the front is a gum sole as well up front right there. Is in that gum sole, that light gum sole as well. So on going to the midsole, you can see there's a white and then there's a red bubble in there right there, and then white also going through the shoe back all the way back to the front, connecting with the light gum outsole and the white on top. And then you have a little blue pod to the right there. And then compared to the Pine Greens, I'm always comparing to that Pine Greens because they're kind of like a similar shoe. This is all white. It is not cream. It is all white. So yeah, so you can see everything is white all through, apart from the front guard right there. The mud guard is in that gray suede, short air suede right there. As you can see, it is really nice, good quality. And then the leather is nice as well. It's not hard compared to the Jordan 4 white cements. For me, it's not bad, but the leather on that is a little bit harder than this. So this is a little softer leather. You can see the nettings on the front right there and the netting on the side, all white, and the back and the background as well as white in there. You got the eyelids, the waffle eyelids are in that midnight navy right there, and then you have the white the white lacing system right there, and then the tongue is in that all white as well. You got the midnight flight on the front over there, and then on top of that you have that red Jumpman. And the back, if you go to the back, we have the Nike SB on the back, and I really like, you know, the pull tab, man. It's so nice. You have that rubbery, smooth feeling pull tab right there. It's very nice. I'm so excited to try it out, you know, just to see, because like the Nike said they've actually re-engineered this to be a little more comfortable than your typical Jordan 4. So I am really excited to try it out and let you guys know, and you know, what I think in terms of the comfort, especially because that pinky area is always an issue sometimes. But most of the time when you get a Jordan 4, the pinky area can be killing, but after a while when you want it, it kind of loosen up a little bit, you know, which is something that I like. When it loosens up, it feels better. Yeah, so it's all leather, white leather, and then the pull tab on the waffle lid right there is in blue, and you see that bottom is in white as well. The bottom rubber that holds the eyelid up, the top rubber for the top eyelid, that holds this up right here, is actually very soft and rubbery, you know, which is something I really like. It's a very nice modification. It's really nice. So on the inside, you have your sock liner, which is a red sock liner. It has that Nike SB Air with the sizing label in there, and that's about it. And on the inside, yeah, it's got the Air Jordan right there. So it's something that I'm really excited to try out. I'm gonna let you know how it feels. I'll do like maybe after wearing it for a while, I'll do a brief overview and a review back on it, just to let you guys know what it feels like. So let me give you guys a 360 real quick. You can see the front right there, okay, and the side, and the other side, and the back. So yeah, so you can see my eBay authentication guarantee tag right there. You know, it's a really nice looking sneaker. You know, I'm really excited to try it out, and I'm gonna be doing the on foot as usual, so you guys can see what it looks like on foot, and that's about it. So guys, that's all I've got for you on this one today. So make sure you let me know what you guys think about this particular pair, the Midnight Navy SB4s. If you like it, if you don't, what do you really think about it? Is it a cop for you? Is it a pass? Make sure you drop a like at the bottom. Let me know how you're feeling about it. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Give us a like if you enjoy contents like this. And that's about it. Ola Opulence out.